Anything can happen. We've got a buoy that's being retrieved past the drawbridge. We've got one up by the Riverwalk. Again, at the beginning of that race, it was tight, almost too tight, obviously, because they were starting to bounce those buoys around. And again, we're going to have to see what the race officials give us as a final. Once again, it was an exciting race, and again, when we started from the drawbridge,
Marshall